Creating custom conditional metric with Keras. I am trying to create the following metric for my neural network using Keras. Custom Keras metric. Where d equals y sub pred y sub true. And both y sub pred and y sub true are vectors. With the following code. Import keras.backend as k. For the use of compiling my model, I received the following error code and I have not been able to correct the issue. Any help would be appreciated. Raise type error using a tf.tensor as a Python bool is not allowed. Use if t is not none, instead of if t, to test if a tensor is defined, and use tensorflow ops such as type error. Using a tf.tensor as a Python bool is not allowed. Use if t is not none, instead of if t, to test if a tensor is defined, and use tensorflow ops such as tf.con to execute subgraphs condition on the value of a tensor.
The metric you are providing is not a function that gets executed each time, but rather a construction of the function, computational graph, that needs to be evaluated. So it needs to be deterministic. Try.